How to load music on an SD card and play it through your new G-ROK Pro. First thing you're going to do is insert the SD card into your SD card adapter. Make sure that the gray switch is pointed up towards the top, opposite where you just put the SD card in. Then you're going to insert the adapter, that whole assembly with the SD card, into the back of your computer. It'll show up on your desktop or in your Finder, and it'll likely be called No Name. You can rename it anything you want. I'm going to call it SD card. And then I'm going to open it up and you'll see it's completely empty. So I'm going to find my music, which I have on there, my desktop, and I'm going to drag. I can drag one song at a time, or I can drag a lot of songs at a time. You can load as many songs as you want. This is a 32 gigabyte SD card, which is about 10,000 songs. I'm using MP3, but the G-ROK Pro also supports WAV, APE, FLAC, AAC, and WMA files. When you're done adding your music, eject the SD card from your computer. And how you do that on a Mac is just dragging it into the trash. You can now remove the SD card from the computer, and you can remove the SD card from the adapter. Then you're going to open the waterproof door on your G-ROK Pro speaker to find the SD card slot. You're going to insert the SD card into the G-ROK speaker with the printed side facing down. You'll see SD show on the screen. You can toggle between SD and BT, which is Bluetooth, by pushing the M or mode button. In the SD card mode, you can play and pause music by pushing the play button. You can also adjust the volume and go forward and back to scroll to different songs. When using the SD card mode, you can only control the music and volume from the speaker and not from your phone, because you're no longer using Bluetooth. You're running off of the G-ROK Pro and the SD card. This is handy when you're far away from the speaker and you have your phone somewhere else, or in your area where you cannot connect. With the SD card, you can always have music whether you have your phone with you or not. To remove the SD card, open the waterproof door, push on the SD card once to eject it, and then you can pull it out with your fingers. This is how you load music on an SD card and play it through your new G-ROK Pro.